Have you ever heard of Falscara by KISS? If not, this review is going to give you a little tutorial on how that is and what I think of these lashes, so check it out. So I received the Falscara box from Influenster for complimentary testing purposes, and in the box that they sent me, it came with the Falscara Lash Kit, which has the lashes, the bond and seal to be able to apply them with and to seal it, as well as an applicator, like a pair of tweezers. You could put the lashes onto your eyes. It also came with 2 pairs of wisps and the remover. And what was really nice about it, when I decided to purchase some more wisps, I was able to go to my local store at Walgreens and be able to find it for under $8, and I believe the kit was under $12, so it was pretty inexpensive. So now I'm going to answer some basic questions that you may have about caring for the lashes and my experiences. So KISS gives some really good instructions on how to care for the lashes, but another way to look at it is if you've used strip lashes before, it's pretty much the same thing. If you applied individual lashes, you pretty much got the premise. So you want to make sure that you're not adding, I didn't add any mascara because I didn't want to gunk these up. Also, when you take them off, they have a remover that comes with it in the kit that you can use to take it off, or you can purchase it separately. You want to get those little containers where you could put the lashes in them, or you can even put them back in the package that they came in if you want to hold on to it, either of which will work. You just gently clean them, let them dry, and yeah, so pretty much caring for them is pretty easy. Yes, you can misplace missing lashes. So if you have at least like 2 or more sets of the same lashes and you notice that one of them falls off your eye or you miss it in the package, it's an easy mistake to make. You can easily fill it in. So for instance, when I had one of them in the corners fall off, I was able to grab another one, put the base on it, stick it there, seal it, and it was as good as new. Because they come in individual little strips, it's really easy to glue them on if they come off, or to replace them if they come off. So yes, that's another thing that's pretty nice about these lashes. So yes, you can prolong the lashes. So what I did is I had put these on yesterday, and then I noticed that this one was a little loose at the bottom, so I just added a little bit more of the seal, and they're pretty much as good as new. So the way to prolong them is I would use more seal, gradually, not too much. It really does go a long ways, but yes, you can prolong them. Thank you for watching my review on this product. If you enjoyed it, then please feel free to check out more of my reviews on Amazon by clicking on the link in my bio if you're on my Instagram. And if you happen to be viewing this video through IGTV, be sure to check out my account at Larissa Life with L for more of my reviews. And if you happen to be watching it at any other server, then feel free to check me out on Instagram to see more products and continue to stay tuned for future reviews to come. Over and out.